fake bird or something. Okay, now it's going all the way. Why isn't it flapping its wings? That bird is by itself. It's not even with the rest of the birds. Look at it. It might be, that might be a fake bird, dude. Like, what the fuck is that? It's just gliding. It hasn't moved its wings this whole time. It won't move its wings. It's just gliding. What the hell? Can a bird glide for this long? That's a long time for it to be gliding already. And it was gliding before this for a while too. It's just gliding. Look at all the other birds moving around. Okay, now it's moving its wings. Alright.